Today I'm going to share how I like to use the Sisuu Recovery Spray. This is an Australian-made blend of magnesium oil and aloe vera leaf juice that helps to reduce inflammation, relieve muscle aches and tension, and it also helps you to get a better night's sleep. Now, this particular formula contains the highest quality of magnesium sourced, and it also has the highest concentrate of magnesium per spray compared to any other magnesium spray on the market, making it a really effective solution. The addition of the aloe vera leaf juice helps to enhance absorption into the body, and I personally love to use it either after I've had a shower or just before I'm going to go to bed. Now, to apply it, I spray 3 to 4 pumps either onto my stomach, onto my feet, or anywhere that I'm experiencing any muscle aches or tension so it can work its magic while I sleep.